let's consider odd functions and how we test for them. So we say a function is odd if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So our test will be to plug negative x into the function, and if after algebraic manipulations we see that that's the same thing as minus f of x, then we say that the function is odd. So let's consider, and put our rule up here again. So let's consider the function f of x equals x cubed. So let's check f of minus x. So f of minus x would then be equal to minus x cubed. If you cube this minus 1, you'll get another minus sign, so that's just going to be minus the quantity x cubed. Now let's check. What is f minus f of x? Well, that's minus sign times x cubed, which is minus x cubed, of course. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. And so this is an odd function. Now, another property of the odd function, because when we talked about even functions, we saw how that related to symmetry. For a function to be odd, the point minus x minus y has to be equal to x, y. Why is that? Well, because the input here is minus x. So this says that f of minus x has to be equal to minus y. Well, what would minus y be? That's just minus f of x. So this is exactly the definition of an odd function, and it comes from this, which is the criteria that has to be set for a function to have symmetry about the origin. So if a function is odd, then it must have symmetry about the origin.